In this tutorial, you'll learn how to restore your wallets from Google Drive in KimlWallet. This is useful when you've switched to a new device, reinstalled the app, or simply need to recover your wallets from a previous backup. This is the KimlWallet home screen showing all your crypto assets. Tap the hamburger menu icon in the top left corner to open the navigation drawer. Tap Settings from the drawer. Give it a moment for the Settings page to load. Now scroll down past Account Settings, Security, and the General section. Keep scrolling until you reach the Wallet Settings section near the bottom. Tap Restore Wallets. You'll arrive at the Restore Wallets page. Tap the blue Connect Google Drive button to link your Google account and access your backed-up wallets. An important step dialog appears. Pay close attention. When signing in with Google, you must check the checkbox to allow the app to access its own folder in Google Drive. This is crucial for restoring your wallets. Tap I understand, continue to proceed. The Choose an Account screen opens, showing all the Google accounts on your device. Tap the account that you previously used to back up your wallets. Google will show you the sign-in confirmation for KimlWallet, including the profile name and email address linked to that account. Review the details and tap Continue. This is the most critical step. You'll see the permissions screen from Google. Look for the checkbox next to See, create and delete its own configuration data in your Google Drive. This checkbox must be checked. It allows KimlWallet to access your encrypted wallet backup. Without it, the restore will fail. Check the box, then tap Continue. You'll now see a list of all wallets backed up to that Google account. Main wallet is already selected. You can select or deselect any wallet you want to restore. When you're ready, tap the blue Restore Selected button at the bottom. Your wallet has been successfully restored. You'll see the green Restore Complete notification at the bottom confirming Restored one wallet. You'll also notice a profile icon has appeared in the top right corner of the Restore Wallets page. To manage your connection, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. A panel slides down showing your connected Google account with two options: delete backup and logout. If you accidentally chose the wrong account, simply tap Logout. This signs you out within KimlWallet without deleting any backup data. You'll see the Logged Out Successfully confirmation and return to the Connect Google Drive page. Simply tap it again and follow the same steps from the beginning to connect the correct account. And that's everything you need to know about restoring your KimlWallet from Google Drive. Thanks for watching.